Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about one of the core topics in SQL, which was the DML commands. Specifically, DML commands include the insert, update and delete. These three commands. So let's get started now. So first up, we will see the insert command. The insert command has two methods. First by value method and the second by address method. So first up we will see the by value method. So first up we will check the distinct table by DASC command. DASC stood. Now inserting the records in this table by insert command. Insert into table name stood values in bracket take value for stud id, first name, last name, then roll number, and then subject. Bracket complete, semicolon, enter. You can see here one row created. We cross check by select command. Select star from table name stud. You can see here the one row created in our table, but table are not properly shown, so I decrease the line size. Set line size 100. Then again run the same query. You can see the proper table. Now we will see the insert record by address method. So first up we will check the existing table here. From the select command, select star from table name here the stood. You can see here the no records are in table. So we insert the records by address method. Now type the query insert into table name stood values in bracket column names. One thing always remember, when you want to using address method, you must use and sign before the every column name. So we use here and stored id and first name comma and last name and roll number comma and subject bracket complete semicolon enter. Then it will ask you for the values. Put the values according to that and insert the records one by one. One another thing always remember here, when using address method, for every insert you have to use the forward slash. Now put the records one by one. You can insert the multiple records in the address method. Now we will check our records by the select command. Select star from table name stood. Enter. You can see the inserted records. Set here line size. Run the same query again. You can see the proper table with our inserted records. I hope you found this video is helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.